To access Microsoft Teams from ClassLink, click on Office 365. Once in Office 365, click on Teams. To create your team, in the upper right-hand corner, click on Join or Create Team. Next, click on Create a Team. You'll be given 4 options of what type of team you would like to create. For your class, you're going to want to click on Class. Next, enter a name for your class. If you'd like to add a description, you may, but it is optional. Next, click on Next. In this next screen is where you're going to add your students to this class. To add my student Cindy to my class, if I knew her username, I could just type that in and it comes up right here and I can click on her. But let me remove her from doing it that way, and if I just typed in her name, it would populate here. Be sure to check that it says student and it is your student, because you'll see there are teachers in here and other staff, so make sure it is your student, and then you can begin typing the next name. And make sure you find your student and go ahead and fill in your class and then click Add. Oh, I forgot to mention before you click that Add button, if you have a co-teacher that you'd like to add to your class, you can add the co-teacher under this tab under Teachers. One way that may be easier for you, rather than typing in each of the students' emails, is to give a join code for this team that your students can then join this team. To access the join code, go ahead and click Close here. Come up next to your period name of your team, click the 3 ellipses, click on Manage Team, then click on Settings at the top, and move on down to where it says Team Code. Click on that, and then Generate. And this will be the code you'll give to your students. If this has a 0 or an O in it, which students often get mistaken for which is which, you can simply click the reset button until you get something that's nice and clean, that they're not going to mistake the letters or the numbers, and then you can give this join code to the students, and this is the way they can access your team. Then when your students log into Teams through Office 365, they'll go up to Join or Create Team. They will then join with the team code. They'll enter that code you gave them and then click Join Team. And now they'll be joined to your team.